Here we're going to do a brief startup shutdown on a Winco generator. First thing you're going to do, turn your controller power switch on. You'll see it'll let the screen load up. Takes maybe 10 seconds or so. After it's done loading up, you're going to put it on manual hand mode, little white hand. Hit the green startup button. After your generator is fired up, after the warm-up stage, you're going to flip all your breakers on. So after you got your generator and everything fired up, you're going to come into your workroom. You're going to turn the machine on the side of the machine, flip it on. Once your main power is on, you're going to turn on your hose heat. Then you're going to go do your prep and your plastic. Cover the floors, do what you got to do. It's going to take probably 20 to 25 minutes to reach your hose temperature. After that, come inside your trailer, turn your main primary heaters on your machine, plug your transfer pumps in, flip the supply levers on the side of your machine to the open position. Go ahead and pressurize up your machine. Make sure your machine's balanced. Do an offshoot. Everything is good. Go continue to spray. So now I'm going to show you how to shut down your machine. First thing you're going to do is turn your 3 heats off on the front of your machine. Close your supply valves on the side of your machine. And make sure you hit that park button on your machine before you shut it down. Lead down your valves on the front to 0. And then go ahead and turn off your main disconnect power on the side of the machine. And then unplug the air from your transfer pumps. Now we're going to do a brief shutdown on your generator after you're done spraying. First thing you're going to do is shut all your breakers off on your breaker panel. Come to the front of your generator, hit the red off button. Your machine will either idle down or it'll shut down. After it's shut down, make sure you shut the controller power switch off. You leave it on, you may end up with a dead battery the next morning.